Another very important creative tool inside Photoshop is the pen tool. So using the pen tool, you will be able to create shapes, just like what we do with the shapes, but pen will provide you with a 100% flexibility in the shapes that you are creating. And in order to create a shape using pen, first you can specify the color and the stroke and everything over here. So I want it to be none. As you see, these are applied to the selected shape, but will as well be applied when I'm drawing with this pen. So I take this pen and I click, and as you see, with every click that I'm creating, I'm making an anchor, I'm making a point, and I'm getting closer to building a full shape. By clicking and dragging, as you see, I will be able to create curves, and at the end, whenever I reach the point that I started from, as you see, this shape will be closed and this will become a complete shape for itself. So we have direct selection tool. I can use it to move any of these anchors that I created. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.